A warning out of Tippecanoe County. The health department there are investigating an outbreak of the whooping cough. Officials confirming 5 cases this week, some of them at a local school. Whooping cough can cause serious illness in babies, children, and adults alike. It's highly contagious, and symptoms might not appear, but after 10 days since you are exposed to the bacteria that causes it. The disease is characterized by a high-pitched sound after a rapid cough fit. For more on the symptoms and how to prevent getting infected, head on over to wishtv.com and click on this story. Well, happening today.